Okay, so this lesson is on factors, multiples and primes, and the first one that we're going to have a look at are multiples. And multiples are basically the times table of a number. So for example, the multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, so on. Okay, whereas the factors of, say, 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, because 12 can be divided by all of those numbers exactly. And it's very important that you understand these two words and get them the right way around. So multiples is going to be more than your original number, is how I tend to remember it, because multiple and more both begin with M. Now the third thing is primes, and there are an infinite number of these. And we start with the smallest prime number, which is 2, and then we've got 3, and then we've got 5, and we've got 7, and then we've got 11, not 9, 13, not 15, 17, 19, 23. Okay, you get the idea. And the point here is that 2 is the only even prime number, the rest are odd, but not all odd numbers are prime. So for example, 9 is not in there because 9 can be divided by 3 as well as 1 and itself. Okay, now I'm going to show you two different ways of asking the same question. So one way is here, write down the prime factor decomposition of 180. The other way is to write 180 as a product of the prime factors. Now both these questions are asking the same thing. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do the whole question on my calculator. I'm going to type in 180 and then press the equals button. That's very important. That's kind of like putting it in the memory. And then all you need to do is press shift and then this button here, fact, and it will write it as a product of prime factors. So what I can do is write down my answer as 180 equals 2 squared times 3 squared times 5. What you should do now are the questions from exercise 1.5 on page, what page is it? Page 12, I think.